In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date to a Confluence page, whether you're documenting a meeting, marking a milestone, or adding a simple last updated note. Placing a date on your page helps readers understand the timeline at a glance. Here's how to do it cleanly and reliably. First, open the Confluence page where you want the date to appear. Make sure you're on the correct page in the right space and that you're logged in with permission to edit. If the page is part of an ongoing project, it's a good idea to pick a spot that will make sense to future readers, like near the top of the body content or alongside a status section. Next, click Edit to open the page in the editor. You'll find the Edit button near the top right of the page. If your site allows it, you can also use the standard keyboard shortcut to jump into editing. If you don't see the option, check with your admin to ensure you have edit access for that page. Once you're in the editor, place your cursor exactly where you want the date to appear. This could be under the main header, inside a callout or panel, within a table cell, or at the start of a new line. Think about readability. Putting the date in a consistent location across your pages makes it easier for your team to scan and find. Now, insert the date. The quickest way is to type a / followed by the word date. As soon as you type /date, a small suggestion panel should appear. Select date from that panel. If you prefer menus, you can also open the insert menu in the editor and choose the date option from there. Both methods trigger the same date picker. When the calendar picker opens, choose the date you want. You can click today for the current date, navigate between months with the arrows, or select any specific day you need. If you make a mistake, just reopen the picker and choose again. Confirm the selected date so it's placed into the page content. You'll see it appear as a formatted date element. Take a quick look to make sure it's correct and in the right spot. Finally, publish the page to save the date. Click the Publish button at the top right. Once published, your date becomes part of the page and will be visible to anyone with view access. If you need to change it later, simply return to Edit, adjust the date using the same method, and publish again. And that's all it takes to add a clear, consistent date to your Confluence page.